morning! It is technically day 3 in Portugal. So today we just finished breakfast. I think I took a picture for you guys, so you probably saw that before this or after it or right now. I'm not sure, honestly, but we're about to head off to the shuttle again. We purchased bus tour tickets today and boat tour and the wine cellar tour. So that's what we're doing today. It's a beautiful day here in Porto. The sun is shining. There's no fog, anything. Like, it is crystal clear skies. I don't even think there's clouds in the sky today. It is so beautiful. The view today is gorgeous. Sorry, we just came in from breakfast and I'm full and I can't breathe. So yeah, so I'll show you guys the view of Porto today, and we're gonna go head down to the shuttle because the shuttle comes at 11. I believe it's like 10:40 now, so we want to be down there so that they don't miss us. And I'm gonna also show you guys an outfit of the day. This is my makeup today. I did something a little different. I added some lashes. These are my favorite lashes. These are the Kiss, no, I don't know, they're Kiss 3D mink lash in the number 102. I picked these up from my beauty supply store, and they're just so like natural looking. Like, it looks like you just got lash extensions. So I'm gonna show you guys the view, and then I'll show you my outfit, and then we'll be on our way. This is the view today. As you guys can see, I told you guys there's not a cloud in the sky. It's just so beautiful. Kayaking, I guess, on the river. If you guys can see that. It's so beautiful. I love this view. There's the courtyard that we have to go take pics in. And yeah. Hey guys, so for today's outfit, this jean jacket is from Forever 21. I love it because it's kind of like oversized, so it just really looks nice with anything that you put on. This white t-shirt is from Walmart. I just have it tied up in the front because sometimes I find with these kind of like jumpsuits, you can lose your shape a little bit. So I like to like show a little bit of skin between the two. That way it kind of breaks it up. This jumpsuit is from TJ Maxx. It's really cute. It's like a culotte length. And it's really, really flattering. And then these shoes are also from Walmart. These are little espadrilles. They're really, really in right now, and they're super comfy because they're flat. So you don't have to worry about like a heel or anything, and they're just really good to walk in. And my hair is curly today, and then I just have on these hoops, I believe, from H&M, if I'm not mistaken. And that's it. I'm just going to be carrying the same bag I did yesterday. And this outfit kind of gives me camel toe, which is funny. But, yeah, that's it. We're going to go head out now. I'll see you guys when we get to the city. This is the boat we're getting on.
Dentro da zona de percurso, para dentro de 5 minutos estarem já fora do percurso, temos que limpar o percurso lá 1h30 da tarde. All the people, all the drivers that are in.
We're on the boat. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're on the boat, getting ready. It's so beautiful. I know you guys probably can't see that much, but it's a beautiful day here. It's very warm. I'm glad I wore this outfit. What? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think this is a 50-minute boat tour, and then we're gonna hop back on the bus and walk around, do some stuff. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys what we're doing. See you soon.
Este puente ferroviario vino a sustituir al puente Dona María Pía. Fue inaugurado en el día de San Juan, San Juan de Morales, el patrono de la ciudad, en el día 24 de junio de 1590.
Just made it to Porto, the city. We got off the bus. I showed you guys a little bit of it. I showed you guys we went on the boat tour, which was beautiful. And it was so beautiful to be on the water. It was so nice. And I want to show you guys, you can see like the floors are tile. It's so gorgeous. So we're gonna go to this Majestic Cafe is what it's called, and it's really famous here. We're gonna grab something to eat really quick, and yeah, so right now we're just looking at shops and everything like that. So you want to say hi? Say hi, guys. Okay, great.
Hi. Sorry,
Thank
Mom's
you.
looking at bags that are made out of cork.
Oh, that's cool. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. back at the hotel. I had a quick little outfit change. My sister and I went down to the bar. I got a little quick drink. Wasn't anything crazy. But we're back home. I'm so tired. It's like 10 o'clock. Hi, how are you? Who's that? Oh. And yeah. So I just thought I'd end the vlog. I'll see you guys for day 3, day 4 of Porto. Bye guys.